KB Toy Reviews! Hey guys, KB Toy Reviews, and today we're going to be opening Care Bear keychains by Kidrobot, and we have
Mommy.
So we're really excited about these, and we found these at our local EB Games. So, who's starting?
You are.
Okay, so
Let's get
let's
started.
show the box.
Yes, so let's show the box. Okay, so these are Care Bears by Kidrobot, and there are 8 to collect. I see.
No, there's on the other side.
There's on the other side too. Sorry, there is 16 to collect out of the Care Bear collection, and it looks like there is a mystery Care Bear right here.
Yep.
This one here,
So we're hoping we get it.
and on the other side too. I think I like the panda vibe or whatever it is. It's like a panda at the bottom there.
Panda?
Yeah. Anyways, these are by Kidrobot, and they are Care Bears. So let's get started opening them.
Alright, so I'm very excited to see how small or how big these are.
I wonder if they're as small as like the little Yummy World ones that they
Oh
were.
yeah, those Yummy World ones. Oh my gosh.
Let's see.
No, I'm good. Oh my goodness. Alright. Ooh, they're blind.
Oh, blind bags. They're tiny.
Uh-oh, the chair didn't work. That's funny. Okay, let's see who we got. These are so
Oh, it's a purple one.
goodness. Alright.
And I don't know, there's a, what's on his belly? A yellow heart?
Found it!
Oh yes. what's his-
Daydream Bear.
Oh, Daydream Bear. Let's show everybody. Daydream Bear.
She's
Oh,
great.
she's so cute.
She's also pretty. I'm hoping to. I want Good Luck Bear.
Alright, so we're just going to set them up there, and I'm going to open the next one.
Good Luck Bear might give us good luck by getting the mystery one if we get it.
And I need my scissors, because there's tape on there. Maybe.
They glued it pretty
Oh,
good.
they glued it. Yes, they glued it. I see that.
It's very, very strong.
All right. So, let's see who I have here.
There it is.
There is a tear strip. All right. Ooh. Did I get- Uh-oh. Oh, no. He's different. He's different.
Oh,
He's like a blue, and he's got like a cloud with rain coming from it. See that?
That's Grumpy Bear.
Grumpy Bear.
Grumpy Bear, I know for sure.
Grumpy
He's
Bear.
a cool one.
Oh, he's really cute. I like
All
him.
right, so let's open the next one.
Set him up there.
Ah, ooh, this one was
These
easy
are
to
super
open.
cute.
Alright, so got the blanket. Let's see if the tear strip works for me this time. Yep, it works.
Ooh,
I got my-
is
I
that
got
Good
the
Luck
one I
Bear?
wanted.
Oh, that's Good Luck Bear.
So he might give us good luck.
Ooh, I like that one. Good
That's
Luck Bear says Shamrock.
That's the one I wanted.
It's like for St. Patrick's Day. Good Luck Bear.
That's the one I really,
I
really
like
wanted.
him. He's very cute.
Alright, Mom, your turn.
Okay, setting him up here.
Alright.
My turn. My turn. Oh, these boxes are stuck. Well, alright. Let's see who I want with my tear strip.
Hopefully we get the mystery one. Come on, mystery
Oh.
one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's a
Oh
grumpy
no,
bear.
we got another grumpy bear. That's okay. We can be grumpy together. We can be grumpy together. One for you and one for Mommy. 2 grumpy bears.
I just cut it all three. I just cut the tape on all 3 of them, and this was the one that was easiest to open.
Wow.
I like these.
I really want the panda though. I want the panda.
Oh, it's a different one.
Oh,
Cheer Bear!
Cheer Bear! Hip hip hooray! It's Cheer Bear. Oh, he's super cute too. Actually, it looks like a girl because she's pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cheer Bear. She's got a rainbow.
Cheer Bear.
She is rainbow.
Mom wants the panda.
Look, very happy. Okay. 2 more left. One for me, one for you. Hoping for the panda because I really want a panda. I like pandas. And let's see, who did we get? Oh, we never got the panda. Is it Sunshine Bear or Bright? Oh, Birthday Bear. Is it
Oh,
birthday? Yeah, because he has a cupcake on his belly.
Yeah, that's birthday bear.
Birthday Bear.
Yeah,
Yay.
Sunshine.
Oh, I like Birthday Bear.
All right, let's.
How can
do
you not
this.
like any of them? They're really cute. I like them all.
I like them all.
Yeah, I like them all.
All right,
Last one.
for this video, let's see if it's anybody different or different.
Well, if we get something different, that would be good.
Yeah, that would be good. Be a good ending. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Grumpy Bear?
No.
Yes!
Oh, no. No.
No!
That's 3 grumpy bears. Oh dear, another grumpy bear. Oh wow, that's okay.
That's alright.
No worries.
No worries.
Okay, well, I think they're really cute though.
Yeah.
We'll have to see if we can find some more of those.
Yeah.
They're sweet. All right, well, what do we say?
Thanks for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye!
Bye.